So the camera wasn't recording just from the very start. It's not working out. Well, I had to exchange the memory card. So yeah, we're starting to walk up, and if we are too much in the forest, it's gonna be dark, so my torch will be sufficient maybe for, I don't know, at home I can walk about the house with it maybe for a quarter of an hour, maybe half, not too long. So I'm sorry it's all dark for you, but I'm still seeing a bit. So for this I need to save the torch so that I can help myself if it gets necessary to do so. So yeah, I was telling the story how I got down here, and shop was closed, so someone took me to the nearest village, and there at the station for another half an hour I was able to buy stuff. So I just bought a few this and that. Tomorrow the cucumbers and the broccoli will get delivered. So I'm not in need, you know, it's just I'm a sweetie pie. So I need sweets from time to time. I go really chasing them. So that's probably why I got why I wanted to run down and get to the shop and get some coffee. Wow! Now I'm in the wood and I even see better because, yeah, the moonlight isn't blinding me. Funny, huh? So, right there in the village there was a rose bush, and I got some free books from a library. So I took some beads off that bush to press them to get them dry. So now I will be able to have rose beads, rose I'm not seeing too much in here. It's a pity I just got the lighter. Like, once I'm not seeing enough, I will have to use the camera as well. And I got all the batteries with me, so that one is cool. Yeah. And I may be not using it full speed, just half, like I'm doing right now. Yeah. You know, I need to see where I walk, otherwise every step is insecure, and that one makes me kind of get slow, too slow for like getting to the mountaintop in an hour. I don't want to waste too much time walking up there. So yeah, on the way back I wanted to see the waterfall, because going to the city there is a waterfall, and passing that waterfall, the damp rising looked like smoke in my eyes, because it was rising like the size of a building. Yeah, and it was like blowing towards one direction, so I thought, yeah, that's smoke. But then I realized it is the moisture from the waterfall. So yeah, But coming back, it's really dark here. Coming back, it was raining so heavily, I didn't want to get out from the car right there to see the waterfall, you know. So yeah, I'm walking really insecure because I don't see the floor even yet with a lighter. This is gonna be a drag getting up today. So in my mind now I go saying, okay, this time it won't be that I'm up there within an hour. It will be like 2 hours. So now I'm already fine. I go, 2 hours of my life. I will walk like this with a torch, and once it's gone, find my way with the camera, no problem. So I'm already fine. Worst case scenario I have thought through, and since I'm not gonna die, I'm not gonna be injured, I'm not gonna be bored to death, I'm fine. So yeah, driving by that waterfall, I didn't get out, but it was raining so heavily. So 2 villages later, when the lady dumped me from her car, I went to Esther asking her for a raincoat, something plastic. And she really found some kind of a raincoat. But it's not raining here. There was a kind of a bluish sky all of a sudden, like 3 minutes after me like asking for the raincoat. So funny. So yeah. So I will have a real nice break in the middle of the path and then see how much light I have left and stuff. And yeah, I won't walk too fast because today it's gonna take longer anyhow. So yeah, I'm longing for the cat. I want to see the cat. I haven't seen it since 4 days. So also the cat hasn't been eating for maybe 4 days. Last time it was at my house, it just drank and then it wanted to start to eat, and then I wanted to add some more food, some different kind of meat, so that it would really eat a lot. And then the cat sniffed something in the air, the black cat probably. So the cat vanished like into the wood, and I followed. I wanted to make the cat eat, so I was even prepared to grab it and to make it stay with me, just to eat. Yes, so I'm gonna upload all of this, of course. And topic, oh, no idea. When I was walking down, I was explaining about this Meghan Markle eternity ring and the Phoenicians and all of that. So yeah, we're fine. There isn't more we need to know. That's really nice about this Ed Chiarini and Miles Mattis and Windsor Gale radioactivity scarce creme and Joanne, the Bible, and Abelard Reuchlin, the Piso Calpurnius writing the Bible, a great deal of the Apocryph writing as well. Once you know, oh yeah, that way around, the truth is kind of working. The world is working. Like the real workings, you start to get, oh yeah, actor-based media reality. So you go like, yeah, okay then. I don't have to take all the shootings and stuffs that happen too seriously, because you know there are all kind of drills and not really of importance. So if no one gets injured, if it's just stage blood, yeah. And these ones to debunk is really easy. You go onto any sort of shooting and then you put in to Google hoax, and then someone has de-hoaxed it. Easy. Yes. Yes. I'm not seeing too far. From here I got the big leaf. Cannot show you more than the floor, if at all. Yeah, I can see it, but I know that you're not seeing the floor, so I'm like, I'm sorry. So I'm maybe gonna I'm gonna have maybe to film like this for a bit, so that YouTube won't go saying, you're making YouTube a boring place. They go like this, give you a strike if it's not changing the picture, and then they say, you want to make YouTube a boring place? Not really. It's just dark and the camera cannot really capture too much. From time to time, yeah, we can get some picture in. That one, what we just saw, was a strawberry, which is a false strawberry around here. That's what it's called. I've done the research, and also since I didn't find the purslane, I have ordered seeds, and now I have it in the ground. They need constant watering, so yeah, kind of another reason to stay at home. But I really want to go to Zurich and film alongside River Limmat for the children's song, because it's like 7 more songs I have to do, and then I'm done. So I'm really sort of then, want to write the book easily, not like every day, but whenever I feel like looking into the monitor, using the mouse, I will. So the rainy days actually were good, but I was so tired I couldn't do anything for 2 days. Also, I had a stupid headache, and maybe I'll start anew.